In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can easily find your recently watched videos on Facebook in just a few taps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open our Facebook app. After that, tap Add Menu icon, which you can easily find at the bottom right corner on an iPhone and at the top right corner on an Android. After that, add Shortcuts section, select Video, and then tap right here at this person icon at the top right corner. You will be taken to your Facebook library, and there all you have to do is just tap at History. If you watch a lot of videos, this section can be super helpful for revisiting content you forgot to save. Once you are at this section, you can easily tap at any video to watch it again, and also you can hit right here and then tap at Share Video to share it with your friends. That's basically how you can easily quickly find recently watched videos on Facebook, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.